In this, the final section of the program, we shall discuss some important aspects regarding care and maintenance of micrometers. Remember that micrometers are precision measuring instruments and, as such, must be treated with care. Wipe the contacting surfaces with an absorbent paper cloth to remove the oil traces prior to using the instrument. Never use force on the thimble. Light finger pressure only is sufficient to obtain accurate readings. A drop or two of light machine oil on the bright metal will reduce the chance of rusting during storage. Don't store the instrument with the anvil and spindle touching. Leave a small gap to prevent corrosion. Give your precision measuring instruments a little tender loving care, and they will serve you faithfully and accurately for life. You can learn more about precision measuring instruments by viewing other programs in this series.